Many people believe they cannot speak English because they are bad at grammar or vocabulary. This belief is wrong. Most learners already know enough English to speak. The real problem is not language knowledge. The problem is mental habits. When you learned your first language, you did not study rules. You listened, you repeated. You used the language every day. Your brain learned naturally through exposure and use. But with English, many learners train their brain to stay silent. They overthink, they translate, they wait for perfect sentences. This creates fear and hesitation. To speak English naturally, you must train your mind differently. Natural speaking begins in the brain before it comes out of the mouth. One of the biggest blocks to natural English speaking is translation. When you hear a question in English, your brain often does this. It translates English into your native language. Then it creates an answer in your native language. Then it translates that answer back into English. This process is slow and stressful. It makes speaking feel hard. Natural speakers do not translate. They connect meaning directly to English words. To train this habit, start with simple thoughts. Do not think in full sentences at first. Think in small English phrases. Instead of translating, name what you see. Say simple things in your mind like this. I am walking. I am tired. The room is quiet. The light is bright. This trains your brain to connect English with meaning, not translation. Everyone has an inner voice. This is the voice inside your head that thinks all day. Most English learners use their native language for this inner voice. That is normal. But if you want to speak English naturally, you must slowly change this habit. Start using English in your inner voice during simple moments. When you wake up, think in English. I am waking up. Today will be busy. When you walk, think in English. I am walking to the store. The weather is nice. This may feel strange at first. That is good. It means your brain is learning. Your inner voice is your private practice space. No one can judge you there. The more your inner voice uses English, the easier speaking becomes. Many learners prepare sentences in their head before speaking. They wait until the sentence sounds perfect. This creates silence. Natural speakers do not speak perfectly. They speak freely. To train your mind, allow yourself to speak incomplete sentences. Allow small mistakes. Fluency comes from flow, not perfection. Practice speaking aloud when you are alone. Describe your actions. I am cooking now. I am cleaning the room. I am watching a video. Do not stop to fix grammar. Keep going. Your brain learns speed through repetition, not correction. Correction can come later. Fear does not disappear by thinking about it. Fear disappears through action. Your brain learns safety through experience. Start with low-pressure speaking. Speak to yourself. Speak to your phone. Speak while reading subtitles aloud. Speak while repeating simple sentences. Then slowly increase difficulty. Speak short sentences to real people. Speak even when your voice shakes. Speak even when you make mistakes. Each time you speak, your brain learns that nothing bad happens. Confidence is built through proof, not motivation. Many learners listen to English passively. They watch videos but do not interact. To train your mind, listen actively. When you hear a sentence, pause and repeat it. Copy the rhythm. Copy the emotion. Copy the speed. Do not memorize. Imitate. Choose one speaker style and listen daily. Your brain learns patterns through repetition. Listening is how pronunciation, intonation, and natural flow enter your speaking. You do not need advanced words to speak naturally. Natural English is simple English. Train your mind to use easy words clearly. Instead of searching for big vocabulary, focus on clarity. Say what you mean with basic words. Clear English is confident English. Consistency matters more than complexity. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Your mind must feel safe to speak. If you judge yourself harshly, your brain will choose silence. Accept mistakes as part of learning. Mistakes are feedback. Silence is stagnation. Speak first, improve later. Every fluent speaker was once uncomfortable. You are not behind, you are training. English should not exist only in study time. Use English in daily life. Think in English. Listen in English. Speak in English. React in English. The more English becomes normal, the less effort it takes. Natural speaking is not a talent, it is a habit. Remember this. Your mind learns what you repeat. If you repeat silence, your mind learns silence. If you repeat speaking, your mind learns confidence. Train your mind daily. Speak a little every day. Think in English. Act without fear. Natural English speaking is built step by step. Your voice already exists. You are just learning to use it. Keep going.